Welcome to Summer Reading Animal Stories. Today I have for you a horse named Steve. This is Steve. Steve is a fine horse, but he thinks he could be finer. He wants to be exceptional.
That means special.
Steve has heard that some horses get ribbons. One day, while walking through the forest, Steve stumbles across a beautiful gold horn.
Just lying there, can you believe it? Ribbon schmibbin. How lucky is this guy?
Steve smells the horn. Steve tastes the horn. Finally, Steve bites the horn. And then Steve knows the horn will make him exceptional. Steve straps the horn to his head.
Over, under, around, and through.
And gallops off to show his friends. Check it out! I'm so fancy. Pretty amazing, huh? Way better than a ribbon. Exceptional, don't you think? Don't you love it? So I just saw it and thought, Steve, you could really do something with this. And I'm so glad I did because I'm an exceptional horse now. Bob, you should really find a horn too because you look kind of ordinary.
Oh, brother.
But Steve, says Bob, I don't see a beautiful gold horn on your head. You're not exceptional.
Huh?
Oh no, where is my beautiful gold horn? Steve looks everywhere for his beautiful gold horn.
Over here, up there, over here, over there.
It's no use. Steve can't find his beautiful gold horn anywhere.
Ah!
Steve is devastated. He's dragging his feet, and that's how you know that he's really, really sad. All that crying has made Steve thirsty, so he stops for a drink. And then lo and behold, there in the water is his beautiful gold horn. Steve reaches for his horn, but he can't quite grasp it, so he reaches farther, and then a wee bit farther, and then...
Hey, watch the branch.
Poor Steve, he is hornless and drenched.
That means really wet.
And now his friends have special things strapped to their head, and he doesn't. But suddenly, Steve notices something.
Hey!
Wait a minute. All of you look exceptional, says Steve, but I just realized that I look exceptionally different.
I love the natural look. Very stylish. How does he do it?
Steve, he's such a trendsetter, that guy.
This title and other great stories can be found online through Hoopla Digital. Stay tuned to learn more about More Than a Horse Farm next.